Dravo, Dravo. My name is Jonathan Bakati. I'm here during the hurricane, Mr. Milton, and the sky is very colorful. Yes, but the breaking news: this man is coming to attacking us. He is going to kill us, Mr. Milton man. But we are going to go explore before he come to kill us. He come tomorrow at some time, so we have time today. Let's go! We are here at the Hurricanes. We're going to find out why they bring this named Milton to come kill us in the Jacksonville. Let's go. Hello, how are you? Very good, nice to meet you. Nice to meeting you. My name is Jonathan Bakati. I'm here recording for the hurricane. This place name is the Milton, yes? I mean the hurricane, yes?
Yeah.
Did you bring him here?
The hurricane?
Yes.
I didn't, but maybe typically.
Your name Milton?
They don't let me do interviews while I'm at work.
You look like a Milton. Yes. Or you look like a yak. Yes. Yes. What about you? Are you Milton? What do you think about the Milton? You want to speak into this one?
No, not really.
But you guys did this, no? The Milton come here because of you, yes?
You guys can go. Like, we don't do this kind of stuff.
But you guys
I
do.
don't appreciate like you guys. None of us want to do this.
But he do the.
Something for like you guys get through it. You guys
But we are here from the Bakati TV. They send us here. This is him.
That's what I see.
Yes. Your name Milton? Yes.
I'm like, here's yoga.
I'm the 18. This is what this place bring to us. They bring us the Milton. This place, Mr. Hurricane, bring us the Mr. Milton. Goodbye now. I know you did it. Goodbye. Have a good day. Oh yes, I can interview you. Did the Milton call you here? He say, "Hello, I'm Mr. Milton. I'm a hurricane." Okay. Okay. Goodbye. Have a good day. Well, it seems like a Milton called the hurricane place. Say, "I'm a coming. Take a shelter. Don't go outside." But I don't listen to this place, and I don't listen to Mr. Milton. I'm coming for you, and I'm going to kill you. Goodbye.